Hello guys, let me check if everything is all right. Okay, I guess that everything is okay. So, my name is Slava. I'm an account executive at Serpstat, and today I will show you how to use Serpstat for maximum. I will pay your attention on the most powerful and useful tools which we have, and how SerpStat can help to improve your results in SEO, paid search, and content marketing as well. So let me share my screen. Okay. And now we are on the homepage of SerpStat. First of all, I have to say that we had some technical issues due to which we did not be able to invite all the users which we wanted to, but nevertheless, we have like a great bunch of people who are interested in this. So first of all, I want to tell you about the data of the Germany database, which we have launched a while ago. So here on the page of stat, you can find the information due to number of keywords, number of domains we have. So as you see, we have the great number, the great amount of all the necessary keywords, domains, ads, suggestions, competitors, etc. And besides that, we are like filling our database. We also clean the database. It means that we delete all the not relevant results, not relevant keywords, which makes no sense, and have only that information which really like useful, helpful, and can help to improve the results. So let me start from the homepage. First of all, I have a little plan which I will go through. I will show you like all the models, all the features we have, which I think it's the most helpful ones. So let me start from the search analytics, from the domain analysis, and let's start from the keywords. Let me take, for example, let it be like running shoes keyword, but I will look through the American database because I'm sorry, I don't know Germany. So running shoes, let it be. And so certainly we have the ordinary reports, which can also help you to make the necessary steps to collect keywords, to create semantic words, to expand semantic words, etc. So it means that we have not just some unique features or the most powerful features, but nevertheless we have the similar functions which you can meet in Google keyword planners, in AdWords, etc. So first of all, like when you are researching the keywords, you can look through the keyword selection. It's the list of the most popular keywords which are semantically connected and related to acquired one keyword. So keyword selection can help you to find all the results which you can find at Google Keyword Planner, as I said, and AdWords. So here is this list in front of, like, you have the list of the keywords which are semantically to your acquired one. You can meet the special elements which can help you to understand that if you want to optimize some of the keywords we have, you should also include these elements in your optimization to get higher ranks. In front of each of the keywords, you will meet their volume. It's average volume for last year, the volume for last month, and additionally, you will meet the information from for paid search, the average cost per click to plan your budgets, and the competition level to understand how to difficulties compete with each of these keywords in paid search. We also have the keyword difficulty, but it's like calculated for right now for USA and just Australia. And in the nearest future, we will calculate all this keyword difficulty for another regions, including the Germany. So keyword selection, it's the classical, if I can say so, the classical way of finding results. The next step is that we have the several cool features. First of all, the related keywords, which can even help you greater to research the keywords. Related keywords is the feature which bases on the existing top 20 pages in Google search who has been already optimized with your acquired one keyword. So it means that related keywords give you the list of the keywords which are also semantically connected and related to acquired one, but basis on the existing optimized pages. It means that related keywords can give you a lot of more results and ideas and ways how to improve the optimization of your existing page, of existing list of words, also to find a lot of ideas which standard keyword planners doesn't show you in their list. I'm sorry for such slow loading. I'm not at office right now, so I have pretty slow internet right now. I hope it will work better sooner. Yeah. So related keywords can give you, as I said, a lot of more ideas how to expand your semantic work, how to attract more traffic on the website. And here you can find the connection strength, which points on how many pages from those top 20 pages in Google search has already optimized their pages with this list of the keywords. So it's like the level of competition among the top 20 players on the Google list. So the main difference between keyword selection and related keywords is that related keywords can give you a lot of additional varieties how to optimize your page and attract more traffic on your website. The next thing is the search suggestions, where it's the special model where you can find exactly the long tails, the low and micro volume keywords, again, which are semantically connected to acquired one. So due to these keywords, it's the easiest way to get high ranks on the first steps. And here are the filters by the most popular words which you want to include in your researched keyword. The next thing is the top pages in keyword research. Top pages is one of my favorite trappers because top pages can greatly help you to find the necessary semantic with your acquired one keyword. Top pages gives you the list of the optimized pages with your acquired one keyword. So it means that you can find not generally the domains of your competitors or something like that, but top pages can give you direct pages with which you will compete with in future. And here is the list of these pages which are already optimized with the acquired one keyword. But here is the number of keywords, which means not the total numbers of the keywords on this page, but it means how many keywords which are connected to acquired one based on this page. So due to this report, you can search for exact semantic for some exact keywords and find what your different players on the market are using in their optimization, also which are again connected to acquired one keyword. The one more thing due to due to keywords research, it's missing keywords. But let me find some page to show you how it works. Missing keywords also can help you to find the necessary keywords on your pages, because it's analyzed. Let me take this one page and choose URL analysis. And based on this page, I will make the research of the missing keywords. Sorry, URL analysis and missing keywords. Okay, so while it loaded up, so missing keywords, when you have the optimized pages, which have the great optimization and which have at least 3 keywords in top 10 positions on this page, you can use missing keywords. Missing keywords is analyzing the similar pages of your top 10 competitors and show you which keywords you have missed on your page, but which are being used by your competitors on the similar one page. So missing keywords can greatly help you to find out which keywords are should be optimized on your existing page. Everywhere where you see none, it means that you doesn't rank for this keyword, but your top 10 relevant competitor does. So you can easily find all the necessary keywords page by page, and easily save your time and find the necessary results which have to been optimized on this analyzed page which you have. So all these reports is about the improving of your optimization, keyword research. The keyword selection is the standard one, which is taken from the Google Keyword Planner and AdWords. But related keywords, search suggestions, top pages by the keyword, and missing keywords can fully cover your tasks for researching the necessary keywords, creating of your semantic work, expanding it, etc. So let me check my plan. Okay, so the next thing I want to show you, it's the analyzing of the domains. Surely, we have the domain analysis, the URL analysis, the prefixes, the keyword research. So the next thing is the domain analysis. First of all, let me choose again the full domain. Okay, and let's go to the overview. I just want to pay your attention on one metrics. It's visibility. Visibility, it's our internal metrics. It was being created by the SERPstat, and it's calculated by the number of keywords which you have in top 20 positions and their volume. So the higher number of these keywords you will have, the higher volume they also will have. Accordingly, the higher visibility your website will get. Visibility has no maximum or some average one amount, because different spheres of business, they have different sizes of the semantic words, so it's just calculated and give you the number. But how to understand if your visibility is good or not? Here is the competitors report. Competitors report in organic and in paid search as well, based on the common keywords. It means that we are finding the websites who also rank for the same keywords as you are, and show you this number of keywords which you have in common with your competitor. But in this report, you can find the visibility, and if you will pay your attention on the amount of visibility, you can understand who is the best optimized player on your market, who has the biggest visibility, from which website you should take an example and use it as a one of the researched domains. So here in competitors report, as I said, you can find the common keywords. You can find also the missing keywords, which can help you to understand which keywords your competitor has as unique, but you have missed on your website. Number of relevance by which you can understand how similar you are with your competitor. And again, by sorting, you can understand who is the best optimized website on your market. So the best way to make the comparison between, for example, your website and your competitors is to use domain versus domain, where you can input your website and two of your competitors, let it be this one and this one. And in this comparison, first of all, you will meet the circles. Let it load it up. I'm greatly sorry for such slow internet I have. Yeah, it's been loading. Okay, well, let me take let me pay your attention on some additional information. By the way, in overview page, you can find the SE traffic. It means this traffic is approximate one which website has in a month just from organic search. And here in the overview, you can also see like the express analysis of like keywords you have in organic or paid search. Unfortunately, this website doesn't use paid search campaigns. The keyword position distribution to see how many keywords you have in different tops, subdomains of the domain. And also, by the way, the visibility trend can also help you to follow your visibility, because visibility trend, it's the graph with the dynamics of changings of your visibility, and you can correlate it with the processes of the optimization which you implement on the website and see how it affects on the growing or going down of your visibility. Like perfectly is to have the direct one or the graph which is going higher always. And by the way, here is the dates when our crawler went through the website and parsed the date. So you can also you can always be acquainted with the freshness of the data we are showing you. So it has been loaded. So these circles in domain versus domain, it means that how wide or how narrow the semantic core of each of these websites. And here you can tap on the specific figures or tap on the like digits. For example, I'd like to know which keywords two of my competitors have as unique in comparison with my website. So I can just tap on the digits or this figure, and the list will be set it up. So here are the list of all unique keywords which my competitor has in comparison with my website, and also with their positions and additional information for keywords. The next way how to make the research of the analyzed website is to use Triview. Triview, it's a great and helpful tool which can give you not just the list of the keywords which you have in semantic or by which you have some ranks, etc., but Triview can help you to find the structure of the website. I mean that you will meet each of the page from the analyzed website, and below the page you will see the keywords by which this exact page ranks for and their position. So you can easily export like all this data in the spreadsheets and make the comparison between your website and your competitor's website, see which pages you have missed on your website, by which keywords you can rank your pages, how to improve the optimization of the existing pages. So use Triview to find out the necessary structure of the website. By the way, here in the Triview, we have a lot of filters, a lot of options how to find the relevant information. For example, you want to see which keywords your competitor have in the top 10 positions with the high volume. For example, let's say from the 1000 till the 2000. And additionally, I want to see if they have some positions from first one to the 10th one. Okay, and applying the filter will give you only that information which you are looking for, so you can greatly save your resources, your time, and find exactly the necessary relevant information which you're interested in. The next thing which I want to show you is the tab pages by the domain. Like, surely you can use the tree view to see the full structure, all the keywords from each of the pages, but you can also use the tab pages where you can find the full list of the pages which are open to be indexed. In front of each of the page, you will meet the number of keywords by which each of these pages ranks for. So if you're interested in some specific pages of your competitor, for example, or of your pages, you can look into each of these pages, tap on these digits, and open the list of all the keywords which based on this exact page. So it's about the website and URL analysis. Let's move to the content. I need some keyword. Let it be. I don't know, Bitcoin, for example. I'm sorry, Bitcoin. Yeah. So in keywords research, there we have a great thing for the content. It's called search questions. Search questions. It's the tool where you can easily like find the relevant topics, the relevant themes to write about. Search questions search for only the questions which people ask in the internet according to your keyword or some sphere of business or some topic, etc. So here you will meet the list of the questions which people really ask in the internet according to your query. So you can easily turn all these questions into the topics for your content or blog writing and make your content really high quality and really relevant, because usually it happens so that content marketers, they are dreaming up about some texts, some topics which they are writing about, but they are not understand how it's useful if people search for it or interested in it. So like search question aimed to give you only relevant topics for your content. Also, you can use tab pages as I have shown you before. Let me open it again. Okay, it's really a problem that it's so slow. Yeah, so due to tab pages, you can also find an ideas to write content and blog about, because in tab pages you can find, besides the number of keywords which based on this page, you can find the number of shares and number of potential traffic. It means how many traffic potentially this page can attract. So basis on these three metrics, you can find out that why Google search gives so many keywords exactly for this page with this content. So it means that this topic is very interested, and you can also create some similar one and get a lot of traffic on it. Due to shares, you can understand which of these pages are really popular and take the ideas from exactly these pages. Due to potential traffic, you can also understand how many traffic it can gain. So you can create the similar content, this similar topic, and share this traffic with your competitor. And also when you're analyzing, let me try, for example, this website, and let me point and blog. And when you will take the URL prefix, it means that if you know some of your competitors, if they have some blogs, you can research their pages from their blog, so you can easily find the topics for your content in blog writing again. Okay, so these two models, like search questions and tab pages and researching of prefixes, can help you to improve your content, to create, to find the relevant topics. The next thing is the backlinks. Let me, yeah, let it be this domain. So first of all, in backlinks, I have to say that we have our own database and we have a partnership with the Majestic SEO. So we are taking their database additionally. So we have like two databases with a lot of data about the backlinks. And here you can find the most useful things and metrics which you have paid your attention and improve your results. In overview, you will find the total information about your foreign domains and pages, but the most important is the page and trust rank of your website. The higher ranks you have, the better ranks you will have in Google search, and the better authority and trust of the website you will also have. Perfectly is to have ranks above 40, but the most important is not to have very low ranks or even the zero ones. Zero ones means that you have no authority, no trust, so your ranks will be very low. In referred domains report, you can find the details about who is referred to you, how many backlinks do they have on their website which are referred to you again, and where they base them. If you will tap on these digits, you will open the details and see the pages where this backlinks based on. And due to page and trust strengths of your referred domains, you can understand, you can qualify your results. It means that if you will find some domains with the really like low ranks like this one, or if they will be even zero ones, so it means that you should close such website from your ranks. Using the disavow command, you can give the understanding to Google to not rank your website by these low and weak backlinks. So on the one hand, you can like qualify your backlinks, find some weak domains and close them up. On the other hand, you can analyze your competitors, find some strong domains with the high ranks and put your backlinks on the same resources as they does. Frankly speaking, like backlinks maybe not have some specific or some special features, but nevertheless, you have all the details, all the information also about your appearance of your backlinks, about their disappearance, etc. So the next thing is the rank tracker. Rank tracker, it's one of my best, like one of my favorite reports. Let me refresh the page. Okay, let me close them up. I'm greatly sorry for such slow internet connection right here. Okay, let me try to open the settings. Right, just something with this page. Okay, while it's been loading, I will go through the settings and show you which options you can choose in the rank tracker project. First of all, when you add your domain in your project, you can also add as many competitors' domains as you need, and SERPstat will parallelly track the positions of your competitors based on the same list of the keywords which you have in your project without any additional charge or something like that. So it means that you have a great insights about the positions of all your competitors at once. In the next step, you can choose any country, any region which you're interested in. If you have some local SEO projects, you can easily choose any city and track your positions all over the world, any city you're interested in, as well as like adding as many regions as you need. But you have to know that each of the additional region will double your limits. So it means if you have 100 keywords in your project and you have 5 regions, it will be 500 limits on your project. Besides the adding of the keywords, traditionally, you can add their tags and groups. It means if you have different categories of some subjects, some goods or services or something else, it will help you to analyze some specific segments later. And in schedule, you can choose daily tracking every 3 or every 7 days as you need. So after all the steps, you will get such report where you will meet your list of the keywords, their URLs, their tags, positions, volume, and history of changing. We provide you with the storm by the keyword where you can find where you can follow the dynamics of each of your keyword and find top 10 competitors by the keyword. And also some of the keywords have their snippets, so you can you can look into the snippets of your website or of the website of your competitor. It makes really easy. So just switching between your competitors, you will meet the same information, but based on their positions, their history of changes, their dynamics, etc. Surely we provide the history. It means that we are keeping the history of your tracking from the beginning of your project. And if someone got on SERPstat before you and already tracked your positions, you will have the possibility to choose the date even before you're tracking, because in comparison with a lot of services in the world, SERPstat are tracking not just your domain, but the top 100 websites by the keyword. So we are keeping the historical data of tracking of all the websites who tracked your keyword. What else? Competitors report in Rank Tracker can greatly help you to make the market research, to make the market analysis, and traffic share can help you to understand how many traffic each of your top 50 players on your market gain in comparison with your website. Green line means that it's your project and how many traffic you have. But all the blue lines, it means that your competitor have like different traffic. And in this report, you can follow not just the traffic share of the full project based on the full list of the keywords, but you can also choose some specific tag of your keyword, some specific maybe goods or something like that, and look through the specific segment of your business, some specific niche, and maybe find a not ordinary like competitor, because it happens so that for example, based on your full project, full list of the keywords, you have some competitor who have lower traffic totally than you are. But in some specific segment, this website can have better traffic than you. So you understand that you should research exactly this website in this specific segment and find out what is going on exactly in this niche, because they have the biggest traffic, especially in this area. So it's about the rank tracker. The next thing I wanted to tell you about the crawling services. We have the crawling where you can track the positions by the keyword. It means that crawling service will give you the results of top 100 positions in Google search by the unlimited number of keywords which you're interested in. It works via the API where you are like using a command, choose some region, some city, and input as many keywords as you need and get the positions of all those like keywords among all the players who is optimized with this keyword. But crawling services works separately from the regular tariff plan. So if you will be interested in description of this video, you'll find my contacts, my email, etc. And just let me know if you're interested in, and I will explain how to do that and give you some maybe trial points to try it out. So like crawling service allow you to track the positions as often as you need. The next thing is that we are able to track, like in this case, Rank Tracker works only with the organic search, but we have the option where we can track the paid search campaigns as well. But it's pretty like difficult task. So if you are interested in, you can also let me know, and we can discuss, and I will show you the details and conditions how we can do that. So it was about the rank tracker. The next thing is the site audit. Site audit is pretty similar to work with, because site audit aimed to find all the issues which the website has due to technical optimization. So here in this model, you have to just input your website, push analysis button, and SERPstat will help you to find all these problems. So all the errors and problems, they are grouped by their priorities to understand which of them you should fix in the first order. You can find all the categories of all these problems, like HTTP status code, meta tags, headings, indexation, links, redirects, service parameters, etc. So accordingly to all these groups, you will find their description, the recommendation how to fix it, and list of the pages which consist all these errors. So you have like pretty everything to make your technical optimization very clean and improve your technical optimization. Also, we provided the comparison with the last scanning and see the difference between how many problems you have and how many of them you have fixed already. And SDO score will help you to understand how well is optimized your website due to technical again. And this percentage, it's the correlation of the quantity and the priority of your problem. So the good one percentage is 60, 70, 80. Truly speaking, I didn't see any website with the 100% cleaned up technical optimization, maybe just some landing pages, but nevertheless, it can help you to understand what is going on. Besides, we provide with the loading speed recommendation, how to improve that for mobile and desktop version, and again you will find the description how to do that. And also the custom overview can help you to make the custom reports from the audit, to add some specific columns and fields which you're interested in, and delete not necessary of them. So here's the site audit. Also, I will show you some models where you can research the paid search campaigns. Let me take some website like Nike.com. They always have the paid search campaign, and we have several features to do that. First of all is the keywords list. Keywords can give you the lists of the keywords by which this analyzed website give the paid search campaign. You can also find their ads and their descriptions. So you can easily take these ideas and release it in your promotion, and you will find the position of the domain by the keyword, the volume of the keyword, average cost per click, and level of competition to understand how to compete with these specific keywords. The next feature is the ad examples, where you can find exactly the ads of your analyzed domain and see the lists of the keywords which they have included in all these ads. So you can collect the ideas and collect the lists of the keywords, which you can also use in your promotion of the similar maybe goods or something like that. Still loading up there. Yeah. So it looks like this. In this left column, you will find the ads and their description. Here is the list of the keywords which are included in this exact ad. The third one, it's the ad examples, where you can find the landing pages which was created for these ads, for this list of keywords. So you can easily analyze the landing pages of your competitors and take like a lot of data and a lot of ideas how they released it, and make the same like optimization, and includes some of the ideas in your paid search campaign. We have the similar competitors, Robert, as I have shown you in organic search, but here is also, it's based on the common keywords, and you will find the missing keywords which are unique in comparison with your like different players in your market. But there is no like visibility or relevance. So it's the report just about the common keywords you have and the unique keywords which your competitor have in their search campaign. Okay, it's still loading. Okay, let me wait for a while. Okay, while it's loaded up, let me open another page. By the way, if you have like a lot of clients, different clients, here is the page where you can create the lists of your project, the groups of your clients, and everything to work separately with your projects, and you will find the express analysis of each of the models we have. So yeah, it's not still loading up. Right. So the last thing. By the way, I have shown you the research of the website, but we have also the PPC research by the keywords. And if I will take again like run and choose, for example, I can make the research based on the keyword. It can help you to find additional ideas and again varieties of how your competitor promote exactly this acquired one keyword. So you will find a lot of the toponyms, a lot of the varieties, how you can also expand your semantic word by some specific keywords. And also here is the ad example, the ad research, the competitors by the keyword. So I'm greatly sorry for it still loading. So the last thing I want to show you, it's our new awesome features, which calls keywords clustering and text analytics. Keywords clustering, it's the tool where you can input the big semantic words up to 2,000 keywords. For example, you're researching your competitor and take their semantic fully from the website. You can pull all these keywords into the clustering, and clustering will help you to sort, to group, to make the clusters for each of these like big list of the keywords. It can greatly help you to save time and show you by which pages each of these keywords should be based on and separated. And when you are doing the clustering, here like each of the square will give you the separate cluster, but based on your clusters you can add the link where you have some content, some text, and make the text analytics. Text analytics looks like this, where you can see which keywords you have to input in title, in H1, in body of your text, and also it will give you the understanding which of the keywords you have already included in your text, which are still not. But LSI rank can help you to understand how important to have this keyword in your text, and the chance shown you how the keyword is popular among your top 10 competitors in Google search. So it means that the higher chance, it means the higher like importance to have this keyword in your text. So like due to these recommendations, due to this analytics, you have the great possibility to improve your existing text, to see how your competitors, I mean, which of the keywords your competitors use additionally in the same tags. Here is this list. So maybe from the list of the keywords from your competitors, you will also find the relevant results, and you can additionally fulfill your tags and add the necessary keywords in them. So based on your real text, you will get all this recommendation, and by this space you will understand what is going on with your text. So like perfectly is to be in this green area. So text analytics, it's really a great thing which can greatly help you to improve your existing text, your existing content, to make to fix your text and make it the really high quality and really relevant among your competitor in your business, in your area. So here is yeah. So we have gone through all these models. I have shown you the most like powerful and the most useful tools we have. So I hope that SerpStat can greatly help you to start to improve your results. It's like helpful for all the SEO, PPC content as well. And as I said, let me stop sharing my screen. Yeah. So if you have any interest, and if you have any additional questions or something like that, you can easily direct everything to me, to my email, and I will respond for every email, and can help you with getting acquainted with the SerpStat. By the way, we have the great offers for right now for long-term subscriptions. So if you're interested in, just let me know. And we have also a lot of great and useful information in our blog posts where we share our experience and our users does. So don't hesitate to visit and find a lot of useful information. So again, if you have anything to ask, feel absolutely free to contact me, and I hope that SerpStat can greatly help you to improve your results. So have a nice day, and I hope to talk to you later. Bye, guys.